Okay, with this one, I'm not gonna put the cheese. In one, I'm gonna do a hot dog because my kids don't like anything in it, or they just like hot dog on Nutella. So I'm just gonna do a hot dog and an empty ones, but instead of like nothing, I'm just gonna like add some butter. And I'm gonna add this one that I can spread it easily. Okay. And on this one, I didn't add anything because I'm just gonna roll in this hot dog. Okay. And then this empty ones, you just roll it however you want it. Okay. It's probably gonna be like 25 minutes before they're done, but we're gonna add something on top of them. You'll see, instead of just butter and oil, we're gonna add something. I'm gonna do this in 2 different pans. Now we're just gonna put a little bit of oil over this. You can do some eggs, but I like just the oil. Like whatever your family likes, you can add. Mine don't like egg on top, but you can. I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes, and then you can put it in the oven. I do it on 350 first maybe 5 minutes, and then I raise it to like 400. And then 25 minutes should be done. As soon as they're golden brown, it should be done, but I'll show you that part too. All right, so that's almost done. So we're gonna prepare what we're gonna put on top of it. So we got a little bit of oil here. We're gonna do quite a lot parsley. Okay. Tiny bit salt, not a lot. Bit of a pepper. Oops, do this one. Oh, that's good enough. We're gonna take this and we're gonna mix it nicely. See, she's gonna be. Now we're gonna show you how to put on top. It's gonna be so good. All right, so it's done. So we're gonna just go like this. Make sure that there's parsley on top. My baby, yes. Food, so you can eat. He wants to help me. Oh, Dean. And then we have the small ones, two here. It's hot, don't touch it, okay? All right, so as you can see, it's really nice. So we're gonna let it sit for maybe a few minutes. See, it's so good. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes, and I'm gonna try one of it so you can see inside how it is. Be back. Mama. All right, so it's been a few minutes. So as you know, some of them are cheese, some of them are empty, and one is hot dog because one of my kids likes hot dog. So I'm gonna show you this one. pop a little bit of a cheese.
Mama,
See.
Mama,
And look how soft.
Mama, Mama.
And then I'll break it like this. Oh, it's so hot.
Yes. Mama, Mama.
Take this so you can see inside.
Mama, this is a room.
Awesome. It is really good.
It's a room, also.
It's delicious, soft, very tasty. Very tasty. I'm just gonna cut hot dog one because I have to cut it for my daughter anyway, so you can see. Yep, this is the one.
This is.
See?
This is.
Yeah. So it's really good. It is cooked already. I'm gonna try to take it out for you.
Mama.
See? It is cooked. She likes these. Yeah. And then one is empty, so it's but they're all cooked and baked actually really, really good in the oven. See? Each of them. He's telling you, you see? Let me show you just a little bit. You want to tell them thank you, please subscribe. You did it. All right, so we're gonna go eat. You guys make this, enjoy, because it's really, really good. Like it and subscribe. Bye.